Hi, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then to add a new one, hit this plus at the bottom. Firstly, set up an hour. When you finished, click on Repeat and pick Days of the week. Then save them by tapping on OK. Now you can click on Alarm Sound and pick the best option for you. By tapping on Add New at the top, you can pick any song from your smartphone. By selecting Spotify, you can log in to your account and use music from it. And if you don't want to do any of that, you can always scroll all the way down and tap on one of those melodies. Finally, scroll all the way down. Tap on this sweater next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback. And last but not least, click on Label. Over here you can name your alarm however you want to and save its name by tapping on OK. Lastly, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you want to and tap on the same check mark. In order to turn it off or on, tap on this sweater next to it. And if you want to delete it, just hold it, use bin icon at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!